All right, guys, just show you how to collapse this collapsible ladder. These adjustable ones. So basically, you want to bring it down. It's up there. So you have these on each side. Just pull these out kind of straight. Just kind of grab the finger and push with the thumb, pretty much. And if you can pull them out straight, the better. So that'll start to come down a little bit, maybe. That's fine. And you grab this other one, do the same thing. Just pull them out. And then pull that one out. Okay, and then I usually just kind of walk it one way and walk it back the other way. Watch your fingers or other skin, because it can get pinched right in here as that's going down, and it hurts like you wouldn't believe. But you believe me, it hurts because I've done it before. So right there, you gotta watch those out. All right, so just kind of go back and forth like that. It should go down. These will line up. Just put those back in place. Shake them around a little bit, they'll go in place. Same thing on this side. All right, now you want to just tap these together like that, and do that just like that. So yeah, anyways, so then you just put it away. So these, just hit them kind of hard and they'll adjust to where you want them to, the next hole, and to close it, hit them and just kind of pull that together, and watch out your hands on the side so they don't get stuck or whatever. Just like that. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. GoPro, stop recording.